So today is Sunday. So first of all, butang ako ng Dermatex sa ako scars. Then, mag-apply na. This is Love Skin Perfection Premium Sunscreen Gel Cream with SPF 30 PE++++. So, sa imo, tansya, ano kada kon imo ba yung amo dapat kada mo char. Kada mo nimo apply. Bitaw. Yan na sa imo kung ano kada mo. So what I love this one is easy to blend. Di ba? See that? Instant glow. With and without. And what I love is easy to apply. Then, no white cast. As you can see, no white cast ya guys. And, may instant glow siya. Then, may protection na siya sa sun rays or UV rays. And very affordable na siya guys. This one is 40 grams. 2 to 3 months na ginamitay. Then, take note that every 2 to 3 hours mag-re-apply kita guys. O, diba? Pinitang liw. So, since wala skin perfection sa Black Up, you can message me through Blue Up. Hindi sa Black Up ako yung message kung gusto nyo order. I'm done. So, sa gusto mag-try, PM sa Blue Up and Black Up. Bye!